Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to guide you how to use Clone Style tool to clone the material of a panel and Change Material Side tool to reverse the material side. In some cases, we may want to add one material to the outer side and one kind of material for the inner side of a panel. So firstly, to clone the style of the material, select Return Home icon, and we add material to a sample panel. Double-click on the panel and add material to a single face. For example, for this face, it's outer face. And for the inner face, we add this color. So we've got a sample panel with materials. Now to clone the material, select the tool Clone Style. Select the panel to copy it, and select the panels to paste. So we have finished copying the material for the cabinet, but we need to reverse the color, the material of this side panel. Select the tool Change Material Side and click on the panel. So this is how we use Clone Style tool to clone the material and change material side to reverse the material side. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.